Well, here I am in San Diego at the Marriott Coronado. It's a one-day conference called SENSMACH. I've been invited here by Professor Andreas Spañas from Arizona State University, and quite amazing to see so many companies here, NXP, Qualcomm, the list goes on. We're talking about tiny machine learning, tiny ML, and we had an inaugural talk by Evgeny, who works for Qualcomm but also for the Tiny Machine Learning Foundation. And it's quite amazing how we're moving the algorithms away from the core to the edge, and almost I would say to the wireless edge, the access point. And I keep thinking about these brain-to-computer interfaces that will rely increasingly on AI algorithms. And it's how do you get more computational power on board a sort of a microcontroller unit or a microprocessor so that the computation is done there at the local level, and then whatever needs to be sent back for processing, whether that's cleaning up the data or sending it back to base, for example, a biomedical engineering manufacturer, that is done, and we are cognizant of transmission, power, onboard storage, using assembly language C and C++ instead of other very hungry kinds of coding programming languages. And seeing this reminds me a lot of ubervalence. MG Michael and I spoke quite often about how ubervalence, that last frontier of that body, is going to be invaded with what is probably now known as tiny machines. So the tinier they get, the more sensors packed onto them, and the more that they do interacting with the human body, we're going to see some very different applications. And the emphasis today has mainly been on condition monitoring. You want to know what condition that artifact is in, whether it's a kettle, a person, a driverless vehicle, or a drone. So it's been an amazing conference so far. I've got to talk in about 2 hours, so I better head back in, but I just wanted to wake up a little with this wonderful backdrop here in San Diego.